Hi, swapping tires can be a tiring job, especially in winter or in spring when you have to swap your winter tires and all-season tires. It takes a long time waiting for your appointment and commuting to the garage and coming back. And many times some local garages, they don't do a good job. They don't properly torque the lugs. So sometimes it can be dangerous as well. So I have decided to invest in some tools to do it myself. So this is a rigid half-inch brushless impact wrench and the sockets for it, a DeWalt half-inch torque wrench. So this can give you adequate torque and just enough torque, so it won't tighten too much or less tightening, which either can be dangerous. So this is something that you need. And then a jack. So the jack that I'm using is an Arkan 3-ton jack, which I got from Costco 3-4 years back. So this is what I'm going to use today. Okay, stop. One thing you need to remember is when putting on the tires, you need to make sure that you are putting it on the right direction. So which means most of the tires will have a rotation direction. So on this tire, you can see this, there's a rotation and an arrow is given here. So the tire has to rotate that direction. So you have to put on the tire in that direction. What they say is tire rotation, which means in the previous season, if you have put the tire in the front right and rear right, that has to be switched. For my Toyota Camry, the torque that I require is 76 foot-pound, and this one supports 20 to 250 foot-pound. This particular DeWalt torque wrench supports that much of torque. So I'm going to adjust this to 76 and then start tightening the lug nuts with this. See, now the yellow thing is at 70, and then for 6 you have to dial in. Right, so now I'm going to tighten the lugs with this torque. When you hear that click sound, that means it has got enough torque, and you need to stop it there. The last part is putting air in the tire. So I'm going to show you where to check for the air pressure. It's usually at the driver's side door, and you can see here cold tire pressure, front and rear 35 psi. So I'm going to put and for winter I usually put 1 point less, so I'm going to put around 34 psi. And for putting the air, I'm using this cat multi air compressor, LED light, USB adapter, and battery jumper all in one. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. I'm gonna try and put more and more useful videos like this. Thank you.